All right, guys. FactFusion here today with another video for you on how to factory reset an HP laptop. Let's get into it. All right, the first thing you're going to want to do this is get your laptop out, make sure you got it charged up, and I'm going to go over how to factory reset an HP laptop with you. Complete step-by-step guide. Restore your HP laptop back to its original settings. You want to go to Open Settings, Start, click Settings, then go to System, then select Recovery. You want to choose the reset option, select reset this PC, and follow the on-screen instructions. You want to back up your files, save important files to an external drive or cloud storage, confirm it, and then reset it. Why do you want to factory reset it? Because it'll fix persistent software issues, slow performance, or malware. Prepare the laptop for resale or giving it to somebody. And it removes all your personal data, apps, and settings. Before you begin, you want to back up your data. Back up important files. Save your documents, photos, videos, and other important files to an external drive or a USB, or put it on the cloud storage like OneDrive or Google Drive. A factory reset erases everything. Factory reset will remove all apps, settings, and personal files from your internal drive. This action can't be undone, so it's very important you make sure that you back it up. I fix people's laptops all the time, and I ask them to have it done before they bring it to me, but I always back it up for them if they haven't done it. You want to save product keys and license info. Make a note of product keys, the license details, and account information for any paid software you wanted to reinstall. And before you begin, you're going to charge and connect it. Plug in a laptop to a power outlet. Don't rely on the battery alone. Ensure a stable Wi-Fi or internet connection if reinstalling Windows online. The reset process can take up to 3 hours. There's two different methods. Method one is reset it from the Windows setting, which is the best option. If your laptop still boots normally into Windows, go to Settings, System Recovery, click Reset this PC, choose your reset option, keep my files, which removes the apps and settings but keeps all your personal files, remove everything, which deletes all files, apps, and settings. It's a true factory reset. It'll start it up like it was when you took it out of the box, when you got it brand new. You always want to select keep my files if you have anything important that you haven't backed up, but then that kind of defeats the purpose, because the purpose of this is if your laptop's running slow, this right here will fix it and make it like a brand new computer. Choose remove everything for a full factory reset. Cloud download versus local reinstall. Windows asks how to reinstall Windows during the reset flow. You want to choose the option that works best for you. You can do it the cloud download, which downloads a fresh copy of Windows from Microsoft servers, and it needs an internet connection and may take longer depending on your speed. Or you can do a local reinstall. You can use those existing files on your device to reinstall Windows. It's faster and it don't require internet access. You can choose it based on your situation. Have fast, reliable internet, you want to choose the cloud download. You suspect system files may be corrupted, you want to choose the cloud download. Then you're going to confirm and reset. Review the list of changes. Windows will show what was removed and restored. So review the details to confirm you're ready. And then you're going to click Next, then Reset. Click Next to continue, then click Reset to start the factory reset process. Laptop will restart multiple times. The reset process will restart it several times. Do not turn it off or interrupt the process. There's a method 2. Reset using HP Recovery Manager. Use if Windows won't boot normally. Use this method when Windows won't start or the settings app is inaccessible. To do this, press and hold the power button to shut it down, then power on and immediately press F11 repeatedly. You want to press it repeatedly as soon as the HP logo appears until the recovery screen opens. So you'll use this if you can't get in your laptop. For example, if you lost your password, you forgot the code, this opens the Windows recovery environment. From when you can choose troubleshoot, reset this PC to factory reset your HP laptop. You want to navigate to HP Recovery Manager. Select troubleshoot, recovery manager, or reset this PC. Again, this is if you forgot your code, lost the password to log in. Choose system recovery to restore factory image. Erases everything, including recovery partition data. Follow the on-screen prompt to confirm. Method 3, using a recovery USB drive. This is needed if the recovery partition is damaged or missing. You want to create a recovery media. Create recovery media beforehand via HP Recovery Manager or download HP Cloud Recovery Tool on another PC. And then boot from the USB drive. Insert the recovery USB drive and restart your laptop. Press Escape or F9 at startup to choose the boot device. During the reset process, do not interrupt. Do not close the lid, don't disconnect power, or interrupt the process in any kind of way. Multiple restarts is normal, so don't think there's something wrong with your computer. Your laptop may restart several times and show progress screens. Take some time, so be patient. It can take up to 3 hours. Sometimes it's faster, but it can take up to 3 hours. And then after the initial reset, you want to do the initial setup. Your laptop boots to the Windows out-of-box setup screen. Your HP laptop will start the Windows setup experience because it's like a brand new laptop again. Select language, region, and keyboard layout. Choose your preferred settings, then click Next. Connect to Wi-Fi and sign in with the Microsoft account. Connect to a network, then sign in to access your apps, settings, and OneDrive. The final steps, restore your files and updates. Run Windows updates, install the latest updates and drivers to keep your laptop secure and running smoothly. Then reinstall essential applications. Reinstall the apps and programs you use most to get back to full productivity. Then restore backed up personal files. Restore your personal files from an external drive, or you can download them from the cloud storage. Here's a quick recap. Back up data and stay plugged in. You want to back up your important files to the cloud or an external drive. Keep your laptop plugged in though throughout the process. There's method 1, which is settings, then system, and then recovery. For a working PC, reset the Windows settings. To reinstall Windows and remove everything. Method 2 and 3, F11 Recovery Manager or USB recovery drive, is for a non-booting PC. Use F11 Recovery Manager or a USB recovery drive to reset your laptop. Again, if you forgot your password to get in, this right here will get you in, but it will reset it to factory. Complete setup and restore files. Follow the on-screen setup to get Windows running. Then restore your files and restore the apps. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I'm a tech service repairman. I have a shop. I fix game systems, anything electronic I fix. People bring me computers, people bring me phones, people bring me game systems. I do micro soldering and I repair a lot of issues. So I thought I'd put together a nice PowerPoints on each subject. I'm slowly doing them every day, letting out more and more. Figure I could share this with you guys, and hopefully people can save some money from taking it to a repair guy like me, or it'll help you in a situation you really need the help and you ain't got the money to take to a repairman. So if you got anything from this video, I'd appreciate it if you leave a like, share it, subscribe, throw some comments in there. I can answer questions through email, so if you have an issue that you would like me to do a video on, you can email me. I'll respond to it, and I'll try to make a video on that for you. With that being said, that's all I got, guys. See ya.